Hi everybody, welcome back. So, a week left until my 200 miler, the Delirious West. These videos are coming till an end. That's my heart rate beeping, but don't worry about that. It's only a 5k run, so a little bit higher, it'll not kill me today. Today's video is on pain relief or not for a 200 miler. Should you use pain relief? But look, before I get into it, I want to welcome all the new subscribers. Thank you very much. Hope you are getting something from the videos. Welcome aboard. Everybody else that's liked and commented and has supported these videos through this process, I really thank you, and thanks for being with me so long. Hope your training's going very well if you're doing the Delirious West in a couple of weeks. Hope your tapering's done. Hope you're ready for the big race. But brings me on to today. Should we actually use pain relief or not? 12 months ago, probably to the day before the race kicked in, something I never thought about, to tell you the truth. I've done a lot of endurance events, a lot of long things, 100 milers, ultra triathlons, and I've heard of people using pain relief to get them through the long races. I've never really taken it on board. I've always thought if we've trained right and have a good race, why would we need pain relief? So it's just something that I've never really bought into. Now, roll forward 12 months, put me having experienced 240k, 250k, still another 95 odd to go, or 100 odd, or whatever it was, in a lot of pain, having pushed myself for the last 90k on a shin that was very sore, using all my mental techniques, my deep breathing to block out the pain and ignore the pain. Given the opportunity to grab some pain relief, I took it. And I'm not gonna lie, it probably made a huge difference to me finishing that race. So what am I saying? Would I recommend pain relief for a 200 miler? I would recommend having it, but I don't even think I had ibuprofen last year, but I never took any. I would recommend taking it, and I'm not a doctor, so disclaimer, taking it with you, or whatever pain relief doctor recommends. Take it, have it close by, just in case you should actually need it. Hopefully you don't, and hopefully it'll never be an issue. But as I say, last year it made a huge difference to my race. I am a firm believer still in being able to feel the pain we're in. Quite enjoy pain usually. Feel the pain so that we know what stage our body's at, and if we're actually pushing too much, doing too much damage. I would say that go as long as you can without it. Use it wisely. Our body is still under enough stress doing this race without trying to deal with medications, outside influences is the way I look at it. So my plan this year will be to run it without any pain medication. But as I say, it will be in the box. So, short video today again, guys. Just really hope that you're prepared. Hope that you're mentally thinking of the race. Hope you're super excited. I'm even super excited at this stage. And yeah, have fun in the last week or two. And if you're doing the Delirious Best, I'll see you there. If you're doing some other 200 miler and you've watched these in sequence and you're a week out from the race, I hope you have a awesome race also. And thanks for watching, guys. Chat soon.